Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to reveal to you how you can add a whiteboard presentation to your Zoom meetings in 2026. So let us get started. So navigate to Zoom meeting. As you can see, I'm inside that Zoom meeting here. So what you want to do is click into more of these three dots here in the bottom right corner of your presentation or meeting and navigate or hover your mouse over whiteboard, and you may, for example, use an existing whiteboard or, for example, start a new one by clicking into this button. So wait for the whiteboard presentation to be loaded. So guys, here inside the whiteboard presentation, you will see your meeting here in the small preview. And what you want to do is use these tools here on the left hand side to start your presentation. For example, you may use the pen or pencil icon here. Let me draw an emoji, for instance, or something like that. You may use a highlighter, an eraser, for example, if you'd like to remove your drawings. You may use the lasso tool. Then you may also enable the shape feature here if you'd like to add shapes like flowcharts, diagrams, UMLs, all kinds of circles, rectangles, arrows, lines, for example. And then we got the line feature itself here, for instance, if you'd like to use arrows or lines. Change the line style here for dotted lines, for example, the line thickness, the color. Below that we got the text box tool. Click into it to enter a text. Here, for example, you may customize that text here, adding hyperlinks, locking the text box, adjusting the format, and so on and so forth. Here in the top left you will see the current page. You may click into this menu here to, for example, navigate to your whiteboard settings. You may rename it, for instance. You may change the background color, move it to the trash folder, and so on and so forth, guys. So if you'd like to add sticky notes or more tools, click into these three dots here, and you may, for example, add a Kanban or a table to your presentation, like this here, for instance. And add more rows and columns. You may also share the whiteboard presentation by clicking into this button here and click into present here. For example, if you'd like to present the presentation without editing, because what I just showed you was the live editing, but you can also present your whiteboard presentation, of course, once it has been created. You got the pen tool here, for instance, the zoom. And yeah, if you'd like to close your whiteboard presentation, click into that X button here to close the whiteboard. And that is going to redirect you back to your meeting on Zoom. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.